Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Aries. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back. At sa mga bagong Aries na nanonood ngayon, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala, si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love, love, love sa inyong Tagalog love, love, love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong no contact love reading. So, tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy for the Aries Collective and ano yung energy between you and your person. Bakit in contact kayo ngayon? Okay? And habang binabalasa ko tong cards, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Aries na sumusuporta sa channel na ito. Maraming salamat. At sa mga bagong Aries na sumusubaybay, sana supportahan nyo rin po itong channel ko by liking this video. Okay? By subscribing to this channel. And share nyo na rin sa mga kakilala nyo pang Aries na nangangailangan ng guidance. And comment na rin kayo below kung mag-resonate siya. Okay? So, yan. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Okay, sige. Habang binabalasa ko tong cards, gusto ko lang remind kayo na this is a collective reading. So, this may or may not resonate sa inyo. So, kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag nating pilitin. Okay? It means na hindi para sa inyo tong reading na ito. At abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya subscribe na para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos sa mga susunod na araw. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is using the tarot cards. Alamin natin yung recent, past, present, and near future between you and your person. Okay? And yan, I will seal this reading sa end ng reading na to with an oracle card or advice from the universe. Okay, sige. Simulan na natin. Recent past. So in the recent past, Knight of Cups, the Fool, and Five of Wands. And sa present moment, Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Chariot. Ooh. And in the near future, the High Priestess, Six of Cups, and Knight of Coins. Medyo maganda ang energy na nasasagap ko for the Aries. So, nagsimula, in the recent past, Knight of Cups, the Fool, and Five of Wands. And in the present moment, there's Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, and the Chariot. And in the near future, the High Priestess. Okay? And Six of Cups and Nine of Coins. Okay. So there's a strong energy of Aries then. Aquarius, Cancer, and yes, yun. Aries, Aquarius, Cancer. Pwedeng ito yung signs ng person ninyo but doesn't have to. Okay, ito lang yung strong energy na nasasagap ko sa reading na ito. Sige, simulan na natin. In the recent past, okay, meron kayong mahal nyo naman yung isa't isa. Okay? And as shown here with the Knight of Cups, there's so much affection and ginusto nyo sana na magkaroon ng parang pinlano nyo na mag-next level na sa relationship ninyo. So, kung dating kayo, gusto nyo na maging committed sa isa't isa, and if in a relationship na kayong dalawa, gusto nyo na mag-next level into something more like a proposal to be engaged or magpakasal na, parang ganun. Basta, yung energy of moving on to the next level of your relationship and starting a new beginning dun sa next level na yun. Okay? And kaso, nagkaroon ng conflict between the two of you. And I can sense naman that this is not a major conflict. It's kasi gusto niyo na mag-level up sa relationship ninyo. Kaso nagkaroon ng issue lang, nagkaroon ng tampuhan, ng di pagkakaunawaan, merong alam mo yun, may scorekeeping na nangyari. Alam mo yun, di ba pag scorekeeping, yun nga, parang nagkaroon ng sumbatan between the two of you dahil sa isang conflict. Tingnan nga natin, ano yung issue na yun? Ano yung naging cause ng sumbatan? Bakit nagkaroon ng sumbatan? The Star and Queen of Cups. Okay. So, meron parang nagkaroon kayo ng parang wish na yung person ninyo is maging mas emotionally mature and mas maging committed sa relationship or sa inyo. That was what you're hoping for. Kaso, ayun, parang nasumbat mo yun sa person na to. And because of that, nagkaroon ng tampuhan. Kasi parang, pero hindi, ang nakukuha kong energies, hindi siya talaga panunumbat eh. Parang kinall out mo lang. In-express mo na, dahil nga gusto mo na nang magkaroon ng next level sa relationship ninyo, in-express mo na sana itong person ninyo, in-express mo sa kanya, sinabi mo sa kanya, kinall out mo siya na sana maging mas emotionally mature siya sa connection na to, sa relationship na to. Kaso hindi niya nagustuhan yung pag-call out kasi baka feeling sa kanya, parang feeling niya, bakit? Emotionally mature naman ako Bakit? Devoted naman ako sa'yo, committed naman ako sa'yo, bakit hindi na ito nakikita? Parang may ganung energy na parang, ayun, di nagbatuhan na kayo ng mga masasakit na salita. And it caused some conflict and tampuhan between the two of you, kaya in no contact kayong dalawa. But at the present moment, okay, as shown here by the Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, okay, and diba, alam ninyo na out of impulse lang yun, yung tampuhan na yun, yung huwag na tayong mag-usap, ganyan, sige, mag-ano muna tayo, maghiwalay na tayo, yung mga ganong drama. Pero ano lang siya, out of impulse lang siya. Yung alam mo yun, yung hindi naman talaga siya, you don't really mean it. Okay? Hindi nyo minimin yung pag hihiwalay ninyo or separation ninyo. Kasi shown here naman, the Knight of Swords, it was just out of impulse. Hindi nyo parang dahil nga punong-puno ng emosyon yung naging conflict between the two of you, parang di nyo pinag-isipan at parang sige, ganito, ganyan, gets. So pero eventually gusto nyo magkaayos, as shown here by the Nine of Cups, which is card of victory. And yun pa, nakakabit pa siya kay Chariot, which is overcoming challenges and being determined na magkaayos kayo. So, pag-uusapan nyo to, and let's clarify. Diba? The lovers, kasi mahal nyo ang isa't isa. And, okay. Ngayon, mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Saka, as shown here with the Four of Wands, magkakaroon ng reunion. So, mahal nyo isa't isa. So, magkakabalikan kayo, magkakaayos kayo. Ay, nakakakilig. Okay. And, did I say more? Sige. Yun na yun eh. Mahal nyo isa't isa. So, magkakaayos kayo at magkakabalikan kayo at mariresolve nyo to. So, in the near future, as shown here with the High Priestess, dahil maayos nyo naman to, there's some deep connection kasi between the two of you. And as shown here with the Six of Cups, there will be healing. Okay? Magkakaroon na ng healing and dahil nga magkakayos kayo and you will choose love. Okay? Love over conflict. Diba? And as shown here with the Nine of Coins naman, there will be consistency in expressing love. Okay? Kasi there will be healing. May magkakaayos kayo. Sige, i-clarify ako, di ba? May Three of Cups. And the Empress. The Empress. Okay. So, ayan. There's so much love. Kasi Three of Cups is a card of sharing happy moments together. It's a card of collaboration. Yung, alam mo yun, you will support each other from now on. Dahil, ayun, na-realize nyo naman talaga na mahal nyo isa't isa and yung whatever conflict na nangyari in the past, wala na yun. Tapos na yun. Na, nadala lang kayo ng emosyon. Ganun ba? So, magkakaayos kayo and as shown here by the Empress card is a card of nurturing and so much care, so much love, so much abundance pagdating sa pagmamahalan ninyong dalawa. Okay? So, claim this energy. Okay? Itong no contact situation ninyo, panandalian lang yan, temporary lang yan. It's just tampuhan ba? Okay? So, pero magkakaayos kayo kasi nga mahal nyo yung isa't isa and magkakabalikan kayo, magkakaayos kayo. So, okay lang yan. Huwag nyo masyadong isipin dahil it's just a minor tampuhan and very temporary lang tong no contact situation between the two of you. So, seal natin itong reading with an oracle card from the universe. Ano ba yung advice ni universe sa inyo? Chin-chin! Diba? Healing power of love! O, diba? 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 Okay. Sakto. Healing. Love. Healing power of love. Dahil nga, mahal nyo isa't isa. And you will both heal. You will both resolve this. So, napakaganda ng reading ninyo. Claim nyo na manifest this energy. Claim nyo na, comment na kayo below kung nag-resonate. Okay? So, kita-kits sa susunod pang love reading. Abangan nyo na lang dito sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno. And, hanggang sa susunod. Okay? Dito lang yan. Mismo. Ingat!